Generac 7043 home standby generator with Wi-Fi as the #1 selling home standby generator brand. Generac Guardian series generators provide the automatic backup power you need to protect your home and family during a power outage. Generac new Guardian Series 22 kW backup generator, the industry largest air-cooled generator available, provides home and business owners with the best value per kilowatt available in the market today. Connected to your existing LP or natural gas fuel supply, it kicks in within seconds of sensing power loss, automatically, and runs for as long as necessary until utility power returns. Choose from just enough power to cover essential circuits or whole house coverage. Generac Guardian series offers benefits that few competitors can match. This new lineup of home standby generators were created to save you money on installation while offering the same reliability and peace of mind you get from all Generac home standby generators. Features that simplify the process for installers include removable door panels, a base pad that requires minimal ground preparation, and more efficient wiring techniques that save time on installation. Innovative engine design and rigorous testing are at the heart of Generac's success in providing the most reliable generators possible. Generac's G-Force engine lineup offers added peace of mind and reliability for when you need it the most. All backed by 24/7/365 customer support and a nationwide dealer network of more than 5,000 strong. True Power technology delivers best-in-class power quality, less than 5% THD, for smooth operation of sensitive electronics and appliances. Includes a 200 amp NEMA 3, indoor/outdoor rated, whole house smart transfer switch. Generac Evolution controller features LED indicators for generator status, utility power presence or maintenance required. Tough, durable all-weather aluminum enclosure offers 3 removable sides for easy access for installation, service and maintenance. Battery not included. Generac battery 7043 5819 sold separately. Great gifts for you and your loved ones.